Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Simplex part number 012-509971-KEP. This is an ePlex 2000 series outside non-key override lever return spring. And this video is really to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Okay. Outside diameter.
Okay.
.385 outside diameter. It's going to have an inside diameter 1.288, thickness of the spring 0.108 thick. Okay, you've got the two tangs, the retaining tangs. That dimension apart at their widest going to be about 0.802. 0.802. You can see you've got two coils here around your spring. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Simplex products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Simplex, number 012-509971-KEP, replacement outside lever return spring, or any other Simplex product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.